this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got something really unique. This is Mom's Dry Noodle Wasabi Almond Sauce Noodle with Tapioca. Yeah. It's a collaboration with a company called Chunyang, which it looks like the sauce is by them. Because it's got their logo right there-ish. So let's do this. I'm really curious. It's still the day. I'm sick. And I don't know, it just sounds like fun. So let's do this up. So we've got a wide dry noodle. That's like one of my favorite things in the known universe. So here is that, and that's going to go for 6 minutes. So here we go. So now you have 6 minutes to listen to me yammer. You could fast forward, but you know what that would do? You would lose all will to live. You would get sick, like me. You would just not be a happy person anymore. It would be a sad thing. So don't fast forward, else you will be giving yourself horrible luck. Oh, and beware the number 28. So. But oh, I see you're still with me. Okay, great. So yeah, crappy weather outside, doing dishes. I think the laundry's going. Gotta make sure this doesn't boil over. Because I'm really... come on. The ice cream is in the freezer solidifying. Pretty sure you'll be able to just go onto YouTube and look up the ice cream. It'll just type in Bulldog 2X ice cream. That should bring up my video. If it doesn't and somebody else did it, keep scrolling, because those people don't know what they're doing. Maybe, I don't know. But what I do know is that it's a fun Friday, and so I'm going to have the fun. Despite feeling crummy and under the weather. I gotta go to the thrift store, find a special plating device for ice cream. I'm gonna do like a 2X spicy banana split. So that should be interesting. But right now, the most interesting thing I'm interested in is this stuff. So this has the boba in there, the tapioca. But you've got to like put this sachet in there. You don't open it, but you heat it for 2 minutes. So I'm waiting for this timer to get to 2 minutes, and then I can take that out, drain the noodle, add everything in, and stir it up, and we'll find out what it's all about. It looks neat. Yeah. And what's kind of cool is my buddy over at that company sent me one of their restaurant plates. Check it out. It's got their logo on it. I like logo junk like that. But what's funny, and I believe this is made in Taiwan. But what's cool about it, and kind of lame about it, it's like the only time I can use this is with their products. I mean, it's got their logo on it. That would be weird to use this with, like, oh, I don't know, something that wasn't their product. I mean, I could have it. I could make a meal and enjoy it personally, but no, that deep plate is specifically for their stuff. So that's what it will do. Although now I'm kind of thinking, will it fit? We'll make it work. But yeah, I think the last time he sent me a couple things, I completely forgot I had that plate, and I was like badgering him at one point. Dude, send me one of your restaurant plates, because they have like a restaurant chain too. And he's like, yeah, I'll figure it out. So he sent me one, and it came through just fine. And oh, we're closing in on the mark to add this big it feels like it's just like all bumpy with Tapioca. That's rad. This will be interesting. This is actually the second time. There we go. This is the second time I've seen it. I had these samples, and then like, God, what was it? Like a couple days later, I saw some post somebody did of like the most interesting and unique instant noodles ever, and there was a company in Malaysia that did one that had bubbles. But I talked to my contact at that company, and they said, "Oh yeah, we haven't had that for years." So it's funny. Here you think you got Top Ramen, you got Shin, and then those products are never going to go anywhere. But in other places, there are ones that are getting like tried out. Actually, there's stuff here too. I've seen Nongshim products go on the market and then poof, only saw them once and then they were gone. And Nissin too. Nissin went through all these different iterations of their big, like they had their home style noodle cup, and then they had the cup noodle that was a little extra, made with like eco-friendly packaging, and then it had like extra space on top, and they said you could put your vegetables in there. And I'm guessing what happened is nobody like wanted to go any further than like cooking it in a microwave incorrectly. I don't know, but consumers are looking for convenience, and that's what they want. And then they came out with Very Veggie, that's right, and that's gone now too, which really bums me out because that was an excellent product for a cup. I think it's a name. I think people thought that it was like vegetarian, although some people like vegetarian stuff. So I don't know what to tell you. I'm not a marketing whiz. Today I just feel kind of like a whiz. Ugh. Not a lot of sleep. Oh. Ooh. Alright. Turn off. There. Bam! Well, that didn't go as planned. Okay. So... I used it. I don't want to use more. Yeah, I'm going to use that one. I think, so the strainer is like an exceedingly useful tool in the kitchen. However, it takes up a ridiculous amount in the dishwasher. I don't know why, but come on, get out of there. Wow, that's really warm. There we go. Now we can drain this. Okay. Yeah, this thing is. These noodles look absolutely splendiferous. Here's this. Did I get a little in there? Yeah, that needs to be dry. It really doesn't, but I'm kind of picky. Alright. So let's give this a shot. Actually, I had two the other day. So we're going to start off with this. I'm guessing this is soy or black vinegar. We'll figure that out real quick. Oh, yeah, I don't I don't know what that is. Oh, sweet. And then we've got this. I have no idea. Oh, maybe this is almond. It does mention almond sauce, and I'll bet you that's what this is. Huh. Okay. Oh yeah, for sure, for sure. And then we've got wasabi. God, don't you wish they had these in the States? Just little squeezable things of wasabi. Whew, that's wasabi, all right. And then we've got this, the big kahuna. Let's, and it's still really hot. Whoa, 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 come on, you. Ugh. Ooh. Look at that. Now we're talking. Wow, look at all that boba. Whoa. Boba Fett. Boba Fett. That's called executive aim. Alright, let's stir this all up. Let's see what we end up with. Wow, this is unique. I'm like agog. Fascinated. Look at this stuff, folks. Wow. So we've got an almond sauce. We've got kind of a sweet, acidic thing going on in that first sachet. We've got wasabi paste. And then we've got this sauce that has the boba in it. Okay, I'm ready. I want to give this sucker a try. Okay. I definitely want to get boba in with it. That's for sure. Ah, come on. There we go. Cheers. Mmm. Whoa. Wow. Wow. The boba is perfect. It's not overdone. It's not that, you know, when you get bad, like, overcooked boba. It's not. It's like perfect. Sometimes they'll put in your bubble tea and it'll be all like hard. Mmm. All I can say, wow, I'm thoroughly impressed with this one, mainly because it's like, it's very good, but it's very different, especially when you get a little hint of that wasabi. But it's like these flavors just kind of go like, it's like you're on a swing. Let's go to one. Let's try the other. I adore this. This is great. Thanks, dude. Thanks for making this and sending it over. I'm like, wow. Like, wow, zoinks. All that kind of jazz. Okay, I'm not adding anything to this. It really doesn't need it. It showed, what do you call it? Tomato slices, or what looked like tomato slices on it, on the image, but it just doesn't seem like that would really, there's so much going on here. It's got its own garnish. Wow, this is neat. Yeah, I'll tell you right now, that one's gonna get eaten. Wow. Alright, let's set this up for some rotation time. On this very, very dark, rainy day here in beautiful, well, not very right now, downtown Kenmore, Washington. Let's rotate. I think that's a good kind of thing to do right at this juncture. God, I feel like Gordon Ramsay. I just want to go, wow, 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 wow. I mean, I think that's what he does when he gets all coked up. I really don't know. Maybe he just drinks a lot of strong coffee, but wow. Anyways, yeah, look. That's this. You should try this. If you can get your hands on it, I don't know that they wouldn't be able to export this. I think they could. You should. People should try this. This is neat. Anyways, thanks for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, do whatever you want. I don't care. But enjoy your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.